Hello guys, welcome to Virgo Philippines. So reading to for Virgo, Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus, and Jupiter Virgos. Take only what resonates. Sa mga gusto mong pa-personal reading, Jing Tarot Reader ha, pakisearch na lang siya sa Facebook. Yan. Kung gusto mong i-follow ako sa TikTok, meron din. Unicorn Princess Tarot. Check mo na lang ako doon. Okay, start na natin ang reading. Pakahinaan na lang ang volume guys kasi medyo maingay itong aking Tibetan bell. And I use this to cleanse the space. So, pakahinaan na lang. Start na natin. Okay, so this is for the sign of Virgo, Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus, and Jupiter Virgos. Love reading guys. Kung gusto mo ng concentrated sa career, meron tayong Virgo career. Check mo na lang yung video. Okay. Last minute, habang nire-ring ko yung bell, medyo nagpapansin sa akin itong card na to. So, ito yung gagamitin natin. Although, may nakaready na ako mga cards dito na dapat gagamitin ko. Medyo ito yung nagpapansin. So, gagamitin natin to. Okay. This is love reading for Virgos. Kunin natin main energy mo, Virgo. For Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus, and Jupiter Virgos. Okay, wait lang. Medyo naaalog ko kasi minsan, actually yung wire, siguro yun. Yung naaalog. Ayan. Pagpasensya mo na lang pag sinashuffle ko, medyo naaalog yung camera. Pa-comment naman ako dyan, guys, kahit heart-heart lang smileys. Malaking bagay yun sa akin kasi doon ko nakikita yung mga sumusuport sa akin. Guilt is here. And actually, there's this, yung ginagamit ng mga judge. And I see this as like Libra energy. So, I don't know if you're dealing with a Libra or you are a Libra kung ikaw ay cross-watcher. Don't let guilt get in the way of happiness. Okay? And you do have here connection. Your connection is eternal and unbreakable. And you do have here love. Love conquers all. And spiritual at here at the bottom of the deck. I feel like etong person na kakonect mo is meron kayong spiritual connection itong taong to. And nakikita natin no, that you do love this person, mahal mo siya. And yung connection ninyo is very eternal. Hindi basta-basta matatapos or maka-cut off or bigla, hindi siya kayang anuhin, pigilan, ganun yung energy. And with the guilt, I feel like for now, maybe there's something sa connection na nagiging dahilan para hindi mo mailabas yung happiness. I feel like this person, siya yung nagiging dahilan na nabubuo yung araw mo, kapag nakikita mo siya or nakaka-connect mo siya, pwedeng ganon. Yung iba kasi pwedeng may kitang personal, yung iba wala naman. Pero whenever this person is nagkakaroon kayo ng connection, medyo, alam mo yun, nagiging maganda or buo ang araw mo. Okay? And for now, maybe, like, you know, this is like the energy of stop. 'Di ba? Once na yung, yung judge is pinatunog ito, 'di ba? Sa korte. It means silence. Okay? So, may nagiging dahilan for you para manahimik or hindi makipag-connect ng tuloy-tuloy dito sa person na ito. And might be, alam mo yun, yung parang, kumbaga sa teacher, quiet, yung biglang sumigaw ng quiet. So, may silence na nagaganap. And you have no choice. Para kailangan mo sumunod because of this. Kung ano man ito, no? And you do have your love. Love mo itong person na ito. But, you know, maybe ang energy is that nilet go mo siya. Hinahayaan mo na lang siya na kusang bumalik. You know what I mean? So, parang hinayaan mo siyang makawala or umalis or you know, hindi mo pinilit yung connection and kung para siya sa akin, para siya sa akin. That's the energy. So, sino ba the person na kakonect mo? For the sign of Virgo, sino person itong kakonect mo? Wait lang guys. Okay? So, punta tayo sa side ng person mo. Sino tong person na kakonect mo? Sino tong person na kakonect mo for the sign of Virgo, Sun, Rising, Venus, Jupiter, Virgos? Oh, wow. Actually, sa tagal kong ginagamit itong card na ito, specifically this card, itong deck na ito pala, itong labyrinth or labyrinth, hindi ko pa nga alam kung paano ba banggitin yon kasi ito ay yung first time ko siyang nakita. This is very rare. So, dahil rare lang siyang lumabas, maybe the meaning is that itong connection na ito ay very rare connection. Hindi siya basta-basta connection na makikita mo lang kung saan. So, there's something spiritual sa connection mo and this person. Okay? Even when you feel lost, there is always a way through the labyrinth. So, let's just pronounce this as labyrinth. Later, I will search it na lang sa Google kung anong tamang pag-pronounce dito. But, the way I said this is that it's like a maze. Kung titingnan mo yung picture, para siyang maze, diba? And, pwedeng yung connection ninyo is nawawala, pero you will still find your way. Or, the universe will still find a ways, or a way, para makabalik. Or, kasi wala namang ibang daan, diba? Kundi papunta lang rin dito sa taong to. That's the energy. It's like, pwedeng, kahit saan ka pumunta, ang energy is that naliligaw ka lang. And then yung person na ito, pwedeng, kahit saan mapuntang connection, naliligaw lang din siya. So, ang tendency, nagkakaroon pa rin ng pag-meet at pag-meet sa inyong dalawa. And this is a very rare connection with the labyrinth. Okay, napaka-rare, guys. And, you do have your trust and openness. This person has a lot of trust. Hindi lang sa'yo, bagkus sa pinaka-connection ninyo. Napakalaki ng tiwala niya dito. And I feel like itong person na ito, guys, for some of you, hindi ito ang side mo. But some of you, ito ang side mo. Okay? Kasi the right side will be your side. I'm getting this as your side. And then yung kabila, yung left is for your person. Pero some of you, ito yung side mo. Alam mo naman yun eh. The other one, this side, sa right side, this is the person na parang hindi nagiging open sa connection, tahimik, silent lang, or may mga times, pinag-iisipan kada movement. And that's what I am seeing here sa ginagawa mo. While on the other hand, yung kabila is very open. Yan, may pagkakaiba naman kayo, no? May pagkakaiba kayo ng person nito. Kasi ito, very open and ina-accept niya yung guidance na ibinibigay sa kanya not only by you, not only by, by you, dahil might be, ginaguide mo din siya. At there are times na ginaguide mo siya. Or, pati yung pinaka-spiritual guides or yung angel guides is sinusunod nitong taong to. And this is the kind of person na ina-accept itong na magbunga itong connection na ito, or alam mo yun, mamulaklak or dalhin na lang kung saan. Bahala na kayo, parang gano'n. And by the way, I don't know if you do have may mga nakikita akong letters. It's like letter N, letter P, T, G, C, and J, L, ayan. N, ano na kung nasabi ko na ba yung N? But maybe you do have that in your name, or yun yung iyong initials, or yun din ang initial ng person mo. Ayan. Take only what rest. Kung hindi ko nabanggit yung initials or yung letter, it's okay. It's okay. Now, punta tayo sa emotions mo for this person. Itong person na ito is like an open book. Itong side ng person mo, no? It's like an open book. Yung parang gusto niyang malaman mo yung istorya or kung kamusta na ba siya or whatever. So, this person is keeping you updated. Kung hindi man sa iyo mismo, maybe sa social media. But I can see you do have an idea kung kamusta na siya because siya na mismo yung nagsasabi. You do have your Cupid and marriage. So, for some of you, may marriage na involved dito sa connection na ito. Like what I've told you, mahal mo yung person na ito, but maybe there's an obstacle, especially ang bottom of the deck is the obstacle. And, alam mo yon, you're finding a way kung paano magiging masaya kahit nandito yung obstacle nito. You know, for some of you, pwedeng may marriage na involved and, parang, I can see air sign, so, could be dealing with an air sign or may air sign siya sa kanyang chart. Gemini, Libra, Aquarius. Mahanap ka na lang ng paraan para maging masaya eh. Kasi itong person na ito, there's union sa inyong dalawa, pero pwedeng there's this obstacle, o malaking harang or sagabal sa connection na ito. Pero tinatry mong mag-blend in. Tinatry mong huwag magpapansin masyado. So, parang kumbaga yung chameleon, you know the chameleon, it's hayop siya na kayang magpalit-palit ng kulay. Depende sa background or depende sa hinahawakan niya or kinalalagyan niya. And that is you. Nakikita natin yung pagkukunwari mo doon because wala kang choice kundi magkunwari. Kundi ikaw mapapahamak, di ba? Or might be, hindi mo alam kung ano mangyayari. So, kailangan mo magkunwari regarding sa emotion mo. So, I feel like there's connection. Kaya lang, might be, some of you, there's marriage na involved. Okay? Or maybe even family para sa iba. Ang person mo naman, you do have your clarity. Take only what resonates, guys. Ang laki ng harang sa inyo, no? Kasi nakikita natin na kanina may, boundaries. Ay, ano yung kanina? I'm sorry about that. Ulyanin ako. Sa mga hindi pa nakakaalam, ako po ay sobrang ulyanin. Okay. And pati sa pangalan, hindi rin po ako masyadong nakakaalala. So, pasensya na kayo. Sinabi ko lang kung bakit. Kasi, at the bottom of the deck, there's these boundaries. Boundaries. Boundary is like harang na naman sa connection na ito. Ang daming harang. Kanina, ang bottom of the deck mo is the boundaries, and then yung person na ito, bottom of the deck niya is boundaries din. Tama ba? Basta yung bottom of the deck mo is like the same, similar lang dito sa boundaries. Sorry, I am really, mahina ang aking memorya. Anyway, having sensible boundaries is important. So, for some of you, nakikita rin ng person na ito yung boundary sa inyo. And I feel like this person is just embracing. We do have your embrace. Yung destiny. And maaaring sa ngayon, malinaw na sa kanya ngayon lahat or nare-recognize niya na kung ano yung connection na ito. Kaya lang, maybe naghihintay na lang siya ng miracle or if this is fated, if you are destined to be mine, then you will be mine. Ganun yung energy ng person mo. Kung para ka talaga sa akin, para ka talaga sa akin. So, katulad ng pagle-let go na ginawa mo in the past, may pagle-let go din na ginagawa itong person na ito. And it is because nare-recognize niya na ang connection ninyo and might be hinahayaan na lang niya ang sitwasyon na kusang mag-unfold or kusang mag-open para sa inyo. Okay? So, ano ang emotions? What will happen in the future for you and this person para sa sign of Virgo, please? In the near future for the sign of, I can see Gemini, by the way. Gemini and temptation. This is Sagittarius energy. Dreams, and you do have your angel number 1111. Kung lagi mo nakikita yung angel number na yun, and this is a confirmation for you. Okay. Commitment and confusion. Bottom of the deck is the soul. Intense. And illusion. So, in the near future, I feel like, Ganun pa rin yung energy mo. Iniisip mong mabuti kung anong iti-take mong actions regarding this person or sa connection. You will be more focused sa iyong dreams. Might be in the past, hindi mo ito masyado pinapansin. Yung mga panaginip mo. And I can see signs or panaginip. Or maybe magugulat ka na lang, bakit lagi ko nakikita itong number na to. Itong angel number na to. Maybe it has a message for me. And I can see you being more balanced, no? Kasi dati more on utak ang ginagamit mo regarding connection. Ngayon medyo balance. Okay? I feel like there's this utak and puso ang ginagamit mo in the near future pagdating sa connection ninyo. Okay? This could be a twin flame connection with the 1111. And the way I see this, yung picture niya is like a clouds. It's like a very beautiful clouds and sky, you know. So, maganda ang weather. So, maaaring ito ay may mga bagay na mapapansin ka in the near future na hindi mo naman dati napapansin. Like for example, yun nga, lagi kang, you know, the way I see this is that, diba, kung katulad ng isang langit, katulad ng ulap. Pag lumabas ka kasi ng bahay, oo, mapapansin mo yung kapaligiran, pero hindi yung iba. Madalang mo mapapansin ang ulap. Mapapansin mo lang yan pag maulan or what. Pero hindi everyday mong papansinin yung ulap or yung kalangitan. And then this is the energy in the future. This is you noticing na yung connection ninyo na laging nandyan, na might be hindi mo masyadong pinapansin in the past. Some of you, sabi ko nga, itong side na ito, yung kanan, this could be your person. And nakikita natin that although gano'n, napapansin mo, no, you will still be careful sa situation. But I feel like ini-encourage mo pa rin ang connection ninyo, no? For some of you nga may nakikita pa nga ako na if you're dealing with someone who is in a relationship or married, pwedeng ini-encourage mo pa siya na i-fulfill or ayusin yung kanilang marriage or what. This is you na parang, you know, you're just there to support this person kasi ayaw mo namang makasira or what. Although you really do love this person, pero ayaw mo nang makasira or you know, ayaw mo mag-guilty regarding that because maybe you are a very traditional person, very religious person, and isa ito sa pinangangalagaan mo or pinaniniwalaan mo. Na although okay, twin flame tayo, soulmate tayo, pero hindi naman natin pwedeng sirain ko ano yung maganda sa inyo or ano yung, you know, if your person is already married, hindi mo naman pwedeng sirain yung marriage. And that is your thinking. Kumbaga, kung magkakaiwalay sila, hindi dahil sa ginusto mo, hindi dahil sa pinush mo siya, or, alam mo yun, hindi dahil sa dinemonyo mo siya, sabihin na natin ganun. But rather, kasi nangyari na lang yun sa whatever reason, maybe natural cause, or maybe nangyari na lang yun sa ibang dahilan, hindi dahil sa ikaw ang nagtulak na gawin niya yun. Okay? So, itong person na to, there's this commitment in the near future sa kanya. Sa whatever kind of commitment. Career, sa relationship niya, there's also commitment. I can see your person being loyal. Pero, gagawin niya yon because hindi niya talaga alam kung ano yung totoo sa connection ninyo. Maybe kasi nga, you're not being open. So, yung person mo, siya yung nagiging open, tapos nakikita niya, hindi ka naman masyadong nagbibigay ng something dito sa connection na to. This is a very intense connection. Kaya lang ang problem, yung person mo, pwedeng hindi niya rin alam kasi kung ano yung nasa isip mo. So, okay, may connection tayo, pero kanya-kanya pa rin tayo ng buhay. So, hindi niya alam kung ano yung gusto mong mangyari. You know, although this is your soulmate, Nakikita ko na naman yung labyrinth na picture. So, it looks like katulad ng mage. And maybe this person is your finish line. Hindi matatapos yung connection eh. Okay? Hanggat hindi mo tinatanggap na this is the finish line. No, you will keep on searching and searching and searching. Pero you will only get lost. Lalo na kung siya talaga yung para sa'yo. Kaya lang, hindi mo na ina-accept sa sarili mo na para talaga siya sa'yo. What is the advice here? Ano yung advice for the sign of Virgo? Take only what resonates, guys. Ano yung advice? This is, yeah, spiritual connection and enlightenment. Your spiritual journey is beginning. Enlightenment. And with enlightenment, there is no separation. We recognize that we are one with the divine. Rekindle. Every relationship has magical moments that can be rekindled. Okay? And at the bottom of the deck, there's this surprise. You may be about to be surprised. Or ikaw itong dapat magbigay ng surprise. Dito sa person na ito, and let love show you how to learn from each other. Having sensible boundaries is important. Okay, yung boundaries dito is like the person na nakaharang sa connection ninyo. So, it's like, kailangan talaga yun eh, para matuto, you know, sa buhay. So, it's like a karmic relationship, karma. Kailangan matuto mo, or kung nasa kanya yung person, kailangan niya matuto. And I feel like, wag mong hayaan na itong boundaries na ito ang maging dahilan kung bakit parang hindi mangyari tuluyan itong connection na ito. Kasi this is a very spiritual connection. At saka hindi pa huli ang lahat para magsimula ulit. Okay? Like, nakikita ko na naman yung picture ng labyrinth, which is like a maze. Okay lang magsimula ka from the start. Burahin mo yung mga pinagdaanan mo, or burahin mo yung sa isipan mo etong mga masasamang alaala or hindi magagandang alaala with whoever or whatever. And then this time, mas alam mo na kung saan ka dapat pumunta. Rekindle is here, so there's a magical moment sa inyong dalawa and you have to accept that. May mga bagay na hindi kayang i-explain. Pero hayaan mo lang na yung divine timing ang kusang mangyari. Okay? Be there for your person. This spiritual connection, sobrang hirap. Pero walang magagawa yung pag-iwas paglayo. Yun yung nakikita natin. Thank you for watching. I love you all. And bye-bye.